Welcome to Review Rumble. The best over chair table is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable accessories you never knew you needed, transforming any armchair or sofa into a functional workspace, dining area, or entertainment hub, making it perfect for anyone looking to maximize comfort and convenience while working from home, enjoying a meal, or simply relaxing with a book or tablet. Number 5. Table-made adjustable TV tray table. This lightweight yet durable table supports up to 40 pounds, providing excellent stability for all your needs. It even includes a convenient built-in cup holder to keep your drink secure. Experience personalized comfort with its 6 height levels and 3 tilt angles. This allows you to use it as a bed tray or laptop table without straining your neck or back. Its unique L-shaped legs effortlessly slide under furniture, making it perfect as a couch or bedside table. You can always position it exactly where you need it for ultimate convenience. Setting it up is a breeze, no tools required, just slide it into position. When you're done, it folds completely flat, allowing for easy storage under almost anything. From a mobile workstation to a snack table, this portable solution adapts to any room. It's perfect for casual dining, hobbies, or simply enjoying a meal anywhere at home. What we like? This table offers incredible versatility with its adjustable height and multiple tilt angles. Its L-shaped legs effortlessly slide under furniture, bringing your workspace or meal right to you. If you're looking for a highly adaptable tray that can serve multiple purposes from dining to working, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The table is sturdy and doesn't wobble. It's easy to assemble and adjust the height. The large surface area is great for holding a laptop and other items. Number 4. Vaunn Medical Pneumatic Adjustable Overbed Table. This overbed table is designed to help individuals with physical limitations perform daily tasks with ease. You can eat, read, or work without leaving the comfort of your bed. Easily adjust the height to your perfect position with a simple touch. It moves smoothly from 29.5 to 40.5 inches, providing a comfortable workspace or dining surface. Enjoy the elegant walnut wood grain top with a durable, flush-mounted edge. It's designed to look great and withstand daily use. Built with heavy-gauge chrome-plated steel and smooth swiveling casters, this table offers exceptional stability and mobility. It can also be conveniently lowered for use as a wheelchair table. Highly recommended by medical professionals, this table is a top choice in hospitals and clinics. It's a reliable solution for patient care. The spacious tabletop provides ample room for all your needs, whether it's a meal, a book, or your laptop. Its dimensions ensure you have plenty of space to work and relax. What we like? Engineered with a pneumatic lift, this table allows for effortless height adjustments with just a light touch. Its heavy-gauge, chrome-plated steel construction ensures superior durability and stability, making it a reliable medical-grade option. If you or a loved one require a sturdy, easily adjustable table for medical recovery or daily assistance, this one comes highly recommended by professionals. What people say. The table is sturdy and doesn't wobble. It's easy to assemble and adjust the height. The surface is large enough to hold a laptop and a drink. Number 3. Drive Medical Overbed Table with Wheels. This innovative table offers reliable support right where you need it. It features a secure lock handle and smooth height adjustment for your ultimate comfort and convenience. Experience flexible use and movement with this versatile table. Its easy-move swivel casters and stable H-base design make it perfect for any home or healthcare setting. Customize your experience with its user-friendly, easy lift mechanism. You can effortlessly adjust its height to any position between 28 and 45 inches. Designed for longevity, it boasts a textured laminate surface and sturdy base construction. This durable table reliably supports up to 40 pounds of load capacity. At Drive Medical, our mission is to provide innovative healthcare solutions that enhance lives. This product is a testament to our commitment to your well-being. What we like? This overbed table features a secure lock handle, ensuring your chosen height stays firmly in place. With its smooth rolling swivel casters and stable H-base, moving it around is incredibly easy. If you need a dependable table that can be securely positioned and effortlessly relocated throughout your home or a care setting, this is a great fit. What people say. Number 2. Boreeman Upgraded Folding Stool. Introducing the Boreeman Upgraded Folding Stool, your perfect companion for any outdoor activity. It's designed to be both lightweight and incredibly sturdy, ready for wherever life takes you. Experience unparalleled durability with its patented fish scale structure and reinforced design. This stool can confidently support up to 400 pounds, offering superior stability compared to other options. Weighing just 2.54 pounds and featuring an adjustable strap, carrying it is a breeze. Take it camping, fishing, hiking, or simply use it around the house. It's designed for ultimate convenience. Thanks to its precision engineering, you can extend and collapse this stool smoothly and easily. It opens and closes in just a matter of seconds, so you can relax without the weight. Customize your seating experience with adjustable height options, ranging from 2.56 to 17.72 inches. Choose from 12 different positions to find the perfect height for any situation. Designed with snap joints to prevent accidental opening when closed, it's safer and easier to transport. Enjoy peace of mind during all your adventures. We stand by the quality of our product with a 1-year warranty. If you have any questions or concerns, we're here to help ensure your complete satisfaction. What we like? This unique item isn't a table, but a super sturdy and portable folding stool, capable of holding up to 400 pounds. Its compact, lightweight design and adjustable height make it perfect for on-the-go seating, whether camping or just needing a quick rest. If you're looking for an incredibly strong and easily transportable seating option for various outdoor or indoor activities, this stool is an excellent companion. What people say. The table is sturdy and has a large surface area, perfect for holding a laptop, books, and meals. It's adjustable in height and angle, making it very versatile for different users and activities. The wheels allow for easy movement around the room, and they lock securely in place when needed. Number 1. VASAGLE C-shaped end table. This slim table is designed to fit perfectly in those narrow gaps. Its compact dimensions make it ideal for small apartments or cozy corners. Setting it up is a breeze with its simple structure and clearly numbered parts. You'll have it ready in no time, thanks to the easy-to-follow instructions. Its unique C-shape allows it to slide right up to your sofa or bed. This design provides convenient access for all your needs, whether for storage or as a workstation. With its generous tabletop and ideal height, it's incredibly versatile. Use it for your laptop, a quick meal, or simply as an occasional table. Crafted from a robust steel frame and quality particle board, it's made to last. This ensures it will serve you reliably for many years to come. What we like? This C-shaped end table is designed to slide right under your sofa or bed, bringing convenience directly to you. Its slim profile and clever design make it perfect for small spaces, maximizing functionality without clutter. If you appreciate modern, space-saving furniture that offers a convenient surface for your laptop or snacks right beside you, this C-table is a stylish choice. What people say. The table is sturdy and can hold a laptop, a drink, and snacks. It's easy to assemble and adjust the height. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with most decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.